It's a common expectation that metadata should be redacted in workflows involving privileged documents and PII review. Because Chronicle can easily extract individual values from fields and create new ones based on those values, we can use it to obfuscate sensitive information in newly created document fields. In this case, I need to redact various iterations of my own name, Tim Randall, from the email header metadata fields. To get started, I'll create a brand new Chronicle normalization project and select the metadata fields I need to redact. I'll then save and run the project. After the analysis has successfully run, it's time to create redactions for the values I'm looking for. Now, like I mentioned before, we are looking for variations of my own name, Tim Randall. So I'm going to go to Normalize Values, and under the original field value name, I'm going to type in Tim. And this narrows down to 3 separate values, Timothy Randall, Tim Randall, and Tim Randall. All 3 of these need to be redacted. So I'll select the checkbox here, and then I will click New Normalization, Normalize, and then for the normalized name, I'm going to enter Redacted. Now, if I look over on the right where it says Redacted under Normalized Values, I can see that Tim Randall, tim@milyli.com, and Timothy Randall will be replaced by redacted when I write these field values back to relativity. There's just one final step to get these values replaced as redacted values. If I go to Apply Normalizations, I'm going to replace each of these with a redacted version of the field. Now what will happen is new fields will be created for each of these original fields, and any place those values, Tim Randall, tim@milyli.com, and Timothy Randall appeared in the original field, they will be replaced with the word redacted. What's great about this is that all of the other values, which are not meant to be redacted, will remain exactly as they are in the original field. Finally, I'll apply normalizations and then validate the fields in relativity after Apply Normalizations has finished running. After navigating to our document, I've created a new coding layout here that shows the original field on the left and the redacted field on the right. Here we can see that Timothy Randall and Tim Randall have been replaced with the redacted value. And as we navigate doc to doc, we can see that the same replacement has happened for each document. Now, when we go to export our production, instead of selecting the email to, email from, email CC, or email BCC, we'll instead select to export the equivalent field, redacted email to, and so on. This will ensure that the fields we export have the metadata that's supposed to be redacted successfully redacted. To learn more about Chronicle, discover additional use cases, or get started, visit milyli.com/Chronicle, or check out the product listing in the Relativity app hub.